In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize a website using Webflow. This handy platform makes it incredibly straightforward to develop a stunning website, even if you don't have advanced technical skills. Let's get started and walk through this process together, step by step. First things first, you'll want to log into your Webflow account. And once you're all set up, head over to your dashboard. What you're looking for is the New Site button. Click on that, and this will take you directly to a world of possibilities where you'll find an array of impressive templates. These templates are the backbone of your website, offering distinct layouts and designs to kickstart your creativity. When you click on Choose Template, you'll see a wide selection laid out before you. It might feel a bit overwhelming with so many beautiful options available. To help you decide, Webflow provides a feature where you can preview each template. This gives you a sneak peek into how your website could look and feel, complete with color schemes, font styles, and layout arrangements. Take your time as you scroll through these templates. Keep in mind the primary purpose of your website and what kind of design would best suit your needs. Whether it's a personal portfolio, an online store, or a business site, ensure the template aligns with your vision. Once you've found a template that catches your eye and meets your requirements, click on it. A prompt will appear asking you to name your website, so choose something descriptive and personal. This name helps you and your audience easily identify your site as it grows. It's important to note that while Webflow offers a variety of templates, not all of them are free. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on the complementary options available. Make sure you select a template clearly marked as free, as this ensures your setup remains cost-effective from the start. Now comes the exciting part: customizing your template. Once you've made your selection and given your site its name, you can dive into the customization features Webflow provides. This is where your creativity can truly shine through. You'll have the flexibility to modify text, change images, adjust styles, and incorporate your unique branding elements to tailor the template to your precise specifications. With customization, take the opportunity to explore different fonts, color palettes, and components that reflect your style and goals. It's all about making this site truly represent you or your business. And there you have it. With these steps properly followed, you're well on your way to creating a